I want to remove anything that creates a bias in my mind. Directional bias that we talk about is a different thing. It's an objective concept that is seen on the charts. When there is a bias in your mind, it is never good, never ever good, right? So the moment you think that you are biased towards longs, you are biased towards shorts, that is going to create a lot of problem in your trading, and that was creating problem in my trading. So my solution was to drastically keep reducing the information points that I am observing, so that it's not confusing my mind, and it's not creating a bias in my mind, and it's not making me unnecessarily confident when I should not be. Something is happening on the charts, and if I have multiple indicators telling me the same thing, I will become overconfident. I'll take that trade, I'll lose. It's happened with me a million times. I've lost so much of money like this. But then I realized that no, it's not like that. I need to get to the truth, not what I believe market is doing. What I believe is irrelevant, because no matter how strongly I believe something, if market has to do something different, it will do it, and it will make me lose money. So I have to look at the truth. I have to look at what exactly the chart is trying to tell me, and actually listen to that. So that is where I realized that why it is happening is because of lots of information points being monitored simultaneously. That started created confusion, bias. So I have gone methodically removing one thing after the other. Open interest went, participant data, all the indicators, so many other methods. I spent many years studying Elliott wave, many years in the early days of my trading. I gave up on that. I never look at a chart and try to plot waves. Completely given up on that. So thankfully, market profile has been very kind to me. I have been, so far everything is working out very good. It will take away a lot of noise. See, money will come. Money is not going anywhere. If you trade correctly, money will come. But the first thing that you will realize is that over trading will go away, trading mistakes will go away, frustrations will go away, peace of mind will come. You will start feeling a little lighter. Trading will not feel a very demanding activity, stressful activity anymore. You will look forward to coming and trading. So many traders, they want to become full-time traders, but they are not really comfortable trading, because one, they are not getting results. Second, it's a stressful process for them every day. It's not easy for them to continue to come to the markets and trade. But when you start to apply this framework, you will realize what is important, what is not, what you can let go of, what you can hold on to, what you should develop more, and that will slowly start reflecting in your trading.